Hey, if I open up FL Studio and always wanted to know, man, why I keep starting out the box? I thought everything was like the way I had it before. Let me show you guys how to do that. What's up, guys? It's your boy Magic back in the studio, and today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial about how to create your template or create a template in FL Studio. Pretty much when you start a session in FL Studio, you can save this session or the way you got it set up to be the same way every time you start FL Studio. It's just gonna be a real quick tutorial. I don't want to waste your time. Yeah. All right. See, we have this empty session here. So what we do now, we're gonna drag a sound in there. Like I said, you can drag it over there, or you can right click and open a new channel. Kick, which you're gonna right click over it, open a new channel, and yeah. So what we're gonna loop that to 3 and 4. This is how you route it to your mixer track. Sorry, I'm gonna tell you that. And we're gonna go to mixer track, and we're gonna go to this sound. We're gonna rename it. We're gonna call this kick, and we're gonna give it a color. We're gonna.
What did you say now?
Change the color to. We're gonna make this red. Accept, and press enter. And 4, we're gonna make that snare. So we're gonna rename it. Call it snare. Change the color. Make that yellow, or we're gonna make it blue. Okay, now that we got those there. So what you do now, you go to File, Save As, and you want to save this in this specific folder. You go to Program Files, Image Line, whichever FL Studio you have, Data, and Templates. Inside that folder, we're going to call this Test. Because this is where it finds your templates for your sessions. We're going to call it Test. It's save, and we're gonna go to File. As you can see, we go New from Template. We don't see it there, and because it got to reload in the system. So you have to close FL Studio and open it again, and you'll see it. So let's do that. We already saved it, so we can exit out, and we open the FL Studio again, and we go to File, New from Template, and bam, Test is right there. So you click on Test, and notice it's two of the sounds we added earlier. We routed them to 3 and 4. And remember, we changed the color: red for the kick, blue for the snare. So let's go to the mixer rack and see if that's the same thing. Red for the kick, blue for the snare. So that's right. So now you go to File, New from Template, and go to Change Default Template. And pretty much you go right here to the bottom and go to Empty and change it to whichever one you have. And pretty much that's it. And like voila, then I'm gonna exit out of here, and I'm gonna open it again, and it's gonna be exactly what we just did. Now it's set up. Bam. It's a magic trick. That's a magic trick for the day. That's a magic trick for the day. So yeah, I'm glad I can help you guys. So they're gonna keep this going. Like I said, like, subscribe to the channel, support your boy, please. And yeah, thank you. Till next time, peace.